On average, they measure around 3 to 5 inches, 7.5 to 13 centimeters, in length, and weigh only a few grams. Number 7. Hummingbirds possess impressive spatial memory and navigational skills, allowing them to remember the locations of numerous food sources. Number 8. A hummingbird's maximum forward flight speed is 30 miles per hour. Number 9. Hummingbirds have a weak sense of smell, and primarily rely on their keen vision to locate flowers and food. Number 10. Hummingbirds are highly territorial, and will fiercely defend their feeding and nesting areas from other hummingbirds and even larger birds.